The third of its kind, fully indigenously developed Train 18, or nationwide known as the Vande Bharat Express, made her debut visit to Mumbai on 9 September 2022 for the route trial before it's been rolled out for the commercial public service. This train set is a developed version of the previous sets running currently between New Delhi to Varanasi and to Katra. Higher acceleration, comfortable interiors, and many more features are the specialty of this third rake. The train set is expected to be rolled in public service in the fourth quarter of year 2022. The schedule is yet to be finalized. This train set was tested at a maximum speed of 180 km per hour on the Delhi-Agra route, while it will have a maximum permissible speed of 130 km per hour on the Western Railway's route from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, since the route is fit for 130 kmph only, although there are plans to upgrade this route in future. The train set comprises of 16 coaches, 4 units of 4 coaches each, being powered by a motor coach for each unit, totaling 4 pantograph or the motor coach for the entire train. With the aerodynamic face, the train looks futuristic or more like the German intercity trains. Manufactured at Integral Coach Factory Chennai, the train is powered by Medha Servo Drives Private Limited, a Hyderabad-based Indian firm. So this makes the train wholly made in India. For this trial run on 9 September 2022, the train departed Ahmedabad at 7:06 am in the morning and reached Mumbai Central at 12:19 pm, covering the distance of 493 km in mere 5 hours 13 minutes. The train then again went back to Ahmedabad, leaving Mumbai Central at around 1:09 pm and reaching Ahmedabad at around 6 pm. Although this was a high priority non-stop trial and the actual operating timetable would vary from this. To capture the first ever visit of Vande Bharat Express on Mumbai Ahmedabad route, many rail fans were ready at various locations en route like Surat, Virar, Palghar, Safale, Daisar, Kandivali, myself at Vaitarna and Vangaon, etc. The coming future would see many of such train sets running on various routes across India, thus reshaping the face of Indian Railways. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked it. Do subscribe for more such informative videos on my channel. See you soon in some of the next upcoming video. Thank you.